Good morning, students, and welcome back. Today we are going to start a new lesson. The name of that lesson is The King's Choice. Lesson number 1.4. There was once a lion who was king of the forest. He was big and strong and very fierce. Okay, they are talking about the lion who was a king of the forest. And it was how? It was big, strong and very fierce. Fierce मतलब angry, चेहरे से angry और aggressiveness, गुस्सा दिखाई देता. All the other animals in the forest called him king. They brought him gifts from every corner of the forest. All the other animals in the forest, they called him the king. एंड दे ब्रॉट गिफ्ट फ्रॉम एवरी कॉर्नर, मतलब हर कोने से कुछ ना कुछ लेके आके उसे गिफ्ट के तौर पर किंग को दे वर गिविंग टू द लायन. बट द मोर लायन हैड द मोर ही वांटेड. आगे कि यही चाहते, हाउ मच यू गेट, यू आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद दैट. ज़्यादा की चाहत होती. एंड इवन दिस द लायन वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग मोर. The king must have a coat, he said to himself one day. What did he say? He should have a coat. Coat आपको अच्छी तरह से पता है. If you are seen in the TV and all, you will find the kings are having their coat. एक दरबार होता है जहाँ पे कोर्टियर्स वगैरह होते हैं, जहाँ पे सलाह मशवरा वगैरह की जाती है, सजेशंस वगैरह पास की जाते हैं. Everything is interact with the king. He called a fox to his side. You are known to be a wise and clever creature, fox, said the lion. I want you to be my advisor. Now he called the fox aside, मतलब अपने पास बुलाया, and said, You are wise and clever. You know it very well कि fox को हम wise and clever मानते. They are very cunning and all. They said, so he said, I want you to be my advisor. So what did he tell the fox? I want you to be my advisor. Advisor मतलब सलाहकार, जो सलाह देता हो. राजा का सलाहकार भी होते हैं वहाँ पे, जो सलाह देते क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, व्हाट वुड द राइट स्टेप्स इफ टेकन से फ़ायदा हो सकता है. तो बोलते हैं फॉक्स को, बोलते यू बिकम माई एडवाइज़र. थैंक यू योर मैजेस्टी, सेड द फॉक्स बोइंग लो. नाउ द फॉक्स सेड ओके थैंक यू, I will be your advisor. The lion next called a leopard to his side. Now again he called the leopard. You are known to be the watchful and swift of 2-foot leopard. I want you to be my bodyguard. Now he told leopard to be his bodyguard because leopards are very swift, मतलब वो भागने में बहुत तेज़ होते हैं. Okay, their legs are very fast. बोलते यू आर वेरी वॉचफुल एंड शिफ्ट, मतलब तुम्हारे दूर की नज़र बहुत अच्छी है. एंड यू कैन रन वेरी नाइसली. सो यू बी अ माई बॉडी गार्ड. थैंक यू योर मैजेस्टी, सेड द लेपर्ड बोइंग लो. द लायन हैड कॉल्ड अ वल्चर टू हिज साइड. यू आर अ बर्ड वल्चर, यू कैन फ्लाई हाई, you are to be my messenger. Now after that he called the bird vulture. He said you can fly high. तो यू बी माई मैसेंजर. मैसेंजर का काम क्या रहता है? मैसेज पहुंचाना यहाँ से वहाँ. तो ही टोल्ड द वल्चर दैट यू बी माई मैसेंजर एंड यू कैन पास माई मैसेजेस टू द अदर. थैंक यू योर मैजेस्टी, सेड द वल्चर बोइंग लो. नाउ द वल्चर ऑल्सो बोर्ड एंड सेड लो. सो वॉट ही डिसाइडेड, ही विल हैव हिज कोट. द लायन डिसाइडेड दैट ही विल हैव हिज कोट. ही कॉल्ड फॉक्स to be this advisor. Then he told leopard to be the bodyguard and he called the vulture to be his messenger. Okay, तो इस तरह 3 लोगों को 3 पदवी दी गई थी इसकी कोर्ट में, in his court. The fox, the vulture, the leopard took an oath of loyalty to the king. The king promised to give them the food and protection. तो what the fox, vulture and the leopard took the oath of loyalty, मतलब उन्होंने ये प्रण लिया. ये बोलते हैं कि हम लोग राजा की हर तरह से सेवा करेंगे निस्वार्थ भाव से. यू मस्ट बी सीन इन द टीवी एंड ऑल. जब कोई भी मेंबर्स ये किसी राज्यसभा या लोकसभा का मेंबर्स बनते हैं तो लोग प्रण लेते हैं. कोई सीएम बनता है, कोई प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनता है, तो वो एक प्रण लेते कि वो लोगों की सेवा करेंगे और सारा जिंदगी मतलब जितने देर वो उस काल में रहेंगे इसमें पोस्ट में रहेंगे और लोगों की सेवा करते रहेंगे। तो वैसे ही लोग ने ये लिया, ओथ लिया कि दे विल बी लॉयल टू द किंग। लॉयल मतलब उसके प्रति ये रहेंगे, ऑनेस्टी दिखाएंगे, उसके प्रति हर बात उसकी सुनेंगे, ध्यान देंगे, उनकी रक्षा करेंगे। द किंग उसके बदले में किंग व्हाट डिड द लायन प्रॉमिस दैट ही विल गिव दम फूड एंड प्रोटेक्शन। उसके बदले में राजा उसको फूड और प्रोटेक्शन देंगे। For some times all went well in the court of the Lion King. The 3 courtiers never opposed the king. His wishes were law. Whenever he rode, they stood in heaven. Whenever he took a walk, they followed him. Okay. तो for some times everything was going correctly. सब कुछ ठीक ठाक चल रहा था. Whatever happened, he used to call them. The king used to call them, and they obeyed him, followed his instruction and all, and everything went quite easy. When the lion king went hunting, they found the animals for him to kill. When the lion king went for hunting, okay, and these animals helped them to kill the animal. मतलब राजा को वो मदद करते थे शिकार करने के लिए. And after his meal, he left the remains for them, so they always had enough to eat. Okay, after the king had his lunch and all whatever he had, remaining part he used to give to the courtiers, that is the fox, leopard and the vulture, and they had enough to eat. मतलब they were satisfied. उनको जो पेट भरने के लिए काफ़ी मिल जाता था उनको. One day the vulture came back from the flight. Your Majesty, have you ever eaten a camel? He asked. It is very tasty. I had ate it once in the desert. Now one day what did the vulture say? Said, did you eat the camel? He asked the king. Did you eat the camel? I once ate, but it was very tasty. मतलब मैंने एक बार खाया था और वो बहुत टेस्टी है. And this camel live in desert. The lion had never seen a camel, but he liked the idea of trying camel's meat. Now lion had never seen, because lion animals and these all animals live in forest and camel live in desert. This is a long highway. बहुत जगह, हर जगह पे कैमल पाए नहीं जाते हैं, डेजर्ट एरिया में ही होता है. And the lion don't know what camel is. So he wanted to try the camel's meat. So he also decided that he will once have the camel's meat. But where can we get a camel? He asked. Now he asked vulture, but where we will get? We don't find camel in the forest. We have to go to the desert area. Then there is a desert some miles away, said the vulture. Now what the vulture replied? There is a desert some miles away. I was flying over it, and when I saw a lone camel not far away, it looked big and fat. Now what did it vulture said? There is a desert some miles away. When he was flying over it, he saw a camel which was moving lonely. It is big and fat. The lion looked at this other advisor. Means they were looking. They were happy to that they will have a camel meat. They were wise and experienced. He wanted their opinion. So the king wanted the opinion of his courtiers. So he asked the fox and the leopard. Now the fox and the leopard did not know the desert, but they did not want the vulture to seem too wiser than them. See, the fox and the leopard never saw the desert area, so they didn't know that. But they don't want to show that they don't know. मतलब वो दिखाना नहीं चाहते थे कि उनसे डेजर्ट के बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं है, कोई कैमल के बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं, क्योंकि इसे ऐसा दिखाएगा तो क्या वो छोटा हो जाएगा. लोग उनको लगता है कि हम छोटे हो जाएंगे. एंड वो vulture को बड़ा है, मतलब एकदम ये नॉलेजेबल होना है, वो दिखाना नहीं चाहते थे. So they said since it was the vulture's idea, he would lead the way. So they said it's a vulture idea, so he will show the route to get the camel. Early next morning, the lion and his court started off on the camel's hunt. They reached the edge of the desert easily, but after they left the shelter of the forest, the day became very hot. The sun shone down with the fire or rays. Okay, the one day they decided and they started towards the desert area. But after they left the shelter of the forest, the day became very hot. means as soon as they cross the forest area means the forest is completely covered with the trees and all. तो क्या वो जगह एरिया what happened, वो ठंडा रहता है, कूल रहता है. The land is not so hot. As soon as they pass the forest area, what happened, the sun was शाइनिंग ब्राइटली, मतलब वो सूरज बहुत तेज़ था, रोशनी दोपहर का वक्त था, एंड इट वॉज वेरी हॉट. द सन शोन डाउन विद अ फायर हॉट फेस. दोपहर का वक्त था, काफ़ी तेज़ रोशनी आ रही थी और काफ़ी गर्मी हो रही थी. ज़मीन भी क्या है, तप आ रहा था गर्माहट से. I up in the cooler area, the vulture flew. Hurry along, he called. The camel is not far off. Now, the vulture was flying high and he was guiding the other animals to move fast so that they can find the camel. But the lion could not hurry anymore. The hot sand had burned his paw. He could not go further. Now, they were staying in the forest, and the forest is a cool area, and desert area is a very hot area. So as he was moving, sun was shining very brightly and it was very hot. The paws, इसके जो पैर के जो निचले हिस्सा था वो काफ़ी जलने लग गए थे गर्मी की वजह से, and he was unable to walk. Stop, he shouted to the others. Now he started to shout because उसे हर्ट होने, पैर दुखने लग रहे थे, जल रहा था नीचे से. कैसी जब कोई जलन होता है, लगता है गर्मी लगती है तो आपको कैसा एकदम जलन सा होता है. तो ही वॉज अनएबल टू वॉक, सो ही स्टॉप द अदर एनिमल्स ऑल्सो. लेट अस गो बैक टू द फॉरेस्ट. आई डू नॉट केयर टू ट्राई कैमल मीट. नाउ ही वॉज एग्जॉस्टेड. ना वो काफ़ी थका हुआ था, गर्मी से उसके पैर भी जल रहे थे. ही वॉज अनएबल टू वॉक. तो व्हाट डिड ही से, कम वी विल मूव बैक टू अवर फॉरेस्ट. हम लोग वापस चलते हैं, मुझे कैमल मीट नहीं खाना है. The lion's king advisor was frightened. The forest was far beyond them and they did not know how to get the lion back home. Now the lion king's advisor were frightened. Now they were frightened क्योंकि they was unable to show the road. मतलब वो रूट दिखा नहीं सकते थे क्योंकि वो फॉरेस्ट क्रॉस करके काफ़ी आगे आ गए थे और पीछे जाने का रास्ता उनको समझ में नहीं आता, सूझ नहीं रहा था. एंड they were frightened कि अगर आप ये बोलते तो they can take him back. The leopard wanted to run away. The vulture wanted to watch and wait and eat the lion later on. Now leopard wanted to run away. अभी leopard he was afraid because otherwise they were not able to take him back to the jungle. He will surely kill him. तो he just wanted to run away from that place. वो डर के मारे वहाँ से भागना चाहता था. और vulture वो इस ताक में बैठा था, जब ये दोनों जानवर लायन को छोड़ के भाग जाएंगे वो लायन के पर अटैक करेगा. तो ही वॉज जस्ट वॉन्टिंग टू हैव द लायंस मीट. तो ये सारा प्लान वगैरह वो ये कर रहा था कैमल मीट की बारे में बता के, ताकि वो लायन को खा सके. ओके, तो नाउ आई एम स्टॉपिंग ओवर हियर. प्लीज़ गो थ्रू दिस लेसन, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. some of the questions are given in there, some of the meanings are also suggested to find out. आपको ढूंढना है. फियर्स का मतलब क्या है मैंने बताया, very aggressive and angry. Some of the question is there, please try to find out. आप खुद से कोशिश कीजिए, you're big enough to find the answers from your passages. Okay, thank you.